I've got a cool video for you guys today. So I decided to record my FOMC trades live on camera, and that resulted in over $7,700 in profit. And this is all caught in real time. You can see my results for this week and also for this month are pretty nuts. So this is my personal account of about $38,000. You can see my results for this week, 6%, $2,000, and for this month, over $7,000 in profit on this account. So my prop account is also doing really well. You can see here, 2.7% gain, over $8,000 this week. So that's over $10,000 just this week alone. So it's been awesome, and I'm glad that I was able to catch some of this on camera. And here's the video. So I'm in some trades today during FOMC, and I wanted to record these while it's happening. So you can see my trades from 2 weeks ago were pretty good. So 17% gain on my account, $5,286 on about a $35,000 account. Those trades worked out really well a couple weeks ago. And so I'm making another big call here during FOMC and wanted to see if it works out. So today I'm taking trades on gold. So you can see the trades right here, 0.24 lots, 3 trades total. And they're being copied from my account right here. So this is my prop trading account at Blueberry Markets, and my positions are in place, and FOMC is about 20 minutes out. So you can see my 3 trades at this point. Second one right here at 1977, and third one placed right here. We had some news today. Thought this was going to break out a little bit more. Didn't happen, probably because of FOMC and the anticipation there. And big players, banks and institutions, bringing this down, trying to push it as low as possible before what I think is going to be a big swing on the upside once that statement releases. All right, so wanted to break this trade apart a little bit and kind of show you the levels that I've marked. So, and the reason why I think this is going to jump up today. So you can see the huge rejection. Gold hit an all-time high at around 2140 and had this rejection candle. And I think that retail traders are going to be anticipating this a further move down. It broke the support here and also here, and then you have this zone that's currently in play. So the reason why I think that price is going to bounce here and have a pretty significant bounce, probably up to around at least 202 or even higher, is because this is the last big zone, the last significant zone until the next one, which is a lot lower, about 350 pips, maybe even close to 400 pips. And I just don't think that gold has enough momentum to really push down to that level, considering how much it's moved from 2140. So I'm expecting a pullback before a possible continuation down, or even a continuation on the upside at this level. So this is a really key level, and it's kind of a make or break zone for gold, where it will jump up to around 2016, or it will jump down to this zone in the coming days, 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so this is going to be a big FOMC. We haven't seen a pullback, 1,600 pips, which is a lot. So yeah, a big swing is possible today. And I'm in some trades. They're not huge. I'm looking for a 2% profit. So just about a minute out, and waiting to see what happens. It's probably going to be a big move, either a lot down or a huge move up. I think it's going to be pretty aggressive. It typically is with FOMC. And we'll see what happens. 15 seconds. Oh, my heart's pounding. Whoa, okay, there we go. Let's see what the number is. All right, so it's stayed the same. And it's a big move up. Nice. Just hoping that it doesn't whipsaw here, but looking positive so far. 2,500 in profit. Looks like there's going to be a statement as well. And see the press conference in about 30 minutes. And a lot of times it's possible that there could be an initial push up during the statement release and then a whipsaw back down. I do think that this is going to be a continuation on the upside. And we're breaking in 1992. Let's see if it continues up to my projected 202. It'd be nice if it hit that level before the statement in about 30 minutes. So I'll pick up and see where price is in the next few minutes. All right, so we're getting close to TP. See if I can hit that target live on my feed here. Oh, come on, here we go, so close. There we go. Today's total profit was pretty insane. You can see here, so 2%, 6,177, and on my Trader's Way account, 4.26%, 1,540. So we're looking at around $7,800 today in profit. So really hit it big today. Pretty happy. Thanks for joining me on this session today, guys. Glad I was able to catch these trades live on camera. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.